meMiner here. Today's a nice day to futz with a couple of rocks that I found metal detecting last weekend. Now these things have only been washed, but they will look better just if I put them in water. See that? But once they dry again, they'll go back to what they looked like before. Both of them have breaks or cracks in the rock, which I believe is being held together by the silver content inside. Because what I'm going to do is stick them in pool grade muriatic acid. I will dilute it with water. So that's just clean water. And I'll see if I can dissolve away some of the calcite, the white calcite, and leave behind silver. Let's give it a shot, see if I actually do improve them or ruin them. Either one is certainly a possibility. So that's just water. I'll add a bit of the muriatic. You don't want to breathe this stuff. The bubbling means the calcite is being removed. Get the microphone close so you can hear it. That's 15 minutes, 20 minutes later. And there's a half hour. It's starting to slow down. I can see right there, there's still calcite in that one. This one is really bubbling, so there's lots of calcite left. Don't necessarily want to get rid of it all. We'll let this continue. Booyah! So that's the rock dried. And what I will tell you is I took some additional steps. I'll show those now and how I got this result. Okay, let's see how these guys look. You can see some of that rock is worn away a bit, but it's not incredibly shiny. So I wonder if we can gently polish these in a rotary tumbler. Yeah, let's give it a try. Plastic tumbler beads, a little bit of ceramic media, one rock at a time. And because I don't want any rounding, or certainly to limit the rounding, is use 500 grit stage 3 tumbler polish. Button it up. I ended up putting both the rocks into the same tumble. Hopefully I didn't break off the little ends. Let's take a look. See if they're okay. It's been 2 days. There's one. There's the other one. You see that? Here's my wasted silver. And here they are dry-ish. You can see they're not as shiny. And I found one little piece of rock, which means either they had a baby or a little segment of one of them broke off. We'll polish all three now. That's all clean. Put my rocks in. Next up is alumina tumbler polish. There's what she looks like. on my poly spoon, my meMiner spoon. We'll add water and get it to rocking and a rolling. Well, there's another little nuggie that broke off. It's a cutesy. And you can see down here in the corner, I did get some wasted silver. You always have to break a few eggs to make an omelet. And the final step is going to be to burnish. We'll use ivory soap. I always use powdered ivory soap. It's just a pure soap, no perfume, no oils. And something that was suggested by a geologist from Quebec, and that is TSP, which is a heavy-duty cleaner. He said it works great on silver. So we'll add some of that too. The moment of truth. Well, we'll let those dry out and see what we end up with. And the great reveal. Oh yeah! See that? Well, thank you for watching, and we'll do another project soon.